everyone, welcome back to a new episode of Devoted to Her. This week I decided to look presentable so I could actually jump on camera. So if you are listening on Apple Podcast or Spotify, wherever you listen to your favorite podcast episodes, including this one, you can actually jump over to my YouTube channel, Samantha Jade Minor, and you could watch me. Okay. This is probably going to be a quick episode. It literally just dropped into my spirit, and I decided I need to record. I need to hit that button and bring it to everyone, because this is something that I have often felt like myself. It might be, okay, I'm gonna keep it real. It is something that I'm experiencing right now in real time. And that is the question, why not me? We often ask the question, why me, when we're going through something, when we're going through hard times, when we're in the midst of a storm, which my last couple episodes have been about going through the storms of life, the trials and tribulations of life. But we can tend to go through seasons, storms, whatever you want to call them, and we can ask, why me? But the question that I think we don't ask enough is, why not me? And I don't mean in a sense of, oh, woe is me, this happened, why is it happening? Or you're asking, why not me? Because you're asking, like, of course something bad happened. Of course I'm going through something bad. Why not me? Not in that type of way. I want you to flip it. I want you to think to yourself, okay, this is going on in my life, and I want my life to look like this instead. But okay, so for example, someone that is going through hard times financially, right? And you're praying for a way out, you're praying for a financial miracle, maybe in your business, you have a business. That's a better example. Okay, stay with me while I formulate this. I literally this just came to me when right before I hit record. So you have a business and you see all these other businesses flourishing, and you're asking yourself, like, okay, why am I even doing this? I see that their business is flourishing, they're making all this money, they have this huge following. That's not gonna happen for me. But why not ask the question, why not me? Why can't it happen for me? No one else out there, no one has a secret formula. There's no Krabby Patty secret formula that we're chasing after. Like, everyone figures things out in their own time. God blesses us all in His divine timing. So instead of just thinking that you're not worthy enough, that's what I'm looking for. Instead of thinking that you're not worthy enough to have something good happen to you, start asking yourself, like, why wouldn't something good happen to me? Why wouldn't I be blessed with the miracle? I hope that makes sense. And part of the reason why we think good things can't happen to us is because we were pre-programmed by other people in our lives. Think about it. Did you have a parent that spoke down to you and told you you're never going to be anything, you're never going to amount to anything? Did you have an ex, or maybe you're with someone now, maybe you're in a relationship now with someone that told you that your business isn't going to be successful, you're never going to make it, whatever the case may be. Flip it to your scenario, whatever the case is in your life. Because I can guarantee the number of people I've had in my life that have spoke horrible things over me, horrible things into my life, people that I would have never thought would speak that way to me. I'm sure someone in your life has said something to you that really stuck, and you didn't think that it would, or in that moment, yeah, it hurt, but you thought that you let it go, you thought that you healed from it, you released it, whatever the case may be. And now you're trying to move forward in something in your life, and you can't. You feel like you're being held back. and you're having all these negative thoughts. And sometimes we sit and we think, oh, it's the enemy, it's the devil, which I don't doubt it. But at the same time, is it just because you had the wrong person in your life speaking things to you and you just started believing it? And that is what I've come to realize with certain things in my life as I'm trying to move forward and make things happen in my life. And I got to thinking, like, I'm holding myself back. And in some areas, I don't have anyone else to blame except myself. I have to take accountability because I'm not moving forward in certain areas because I have accepted in the past, I've accepted what people have told me and I thought that I've let it go, and really I didn't. It's sat there and it settled. It got comfortable. And it took root in me. And I began to just realize, like, okay, this is me, this is my life. But that's not the case. We have to turn it around and say, yeah, if something good happened to someone else, it's going to happen to me. Like, we have to speak it over our own lives. Whatever someone has said to you that made you feel defeated or broken or unloved or not smart, like, we have to take responsibility and take control of our thoughts, and we have to change it. Like, create a whole new narrative. Someone said that your business is gonna fail. No, it's not. I decree and declare my business will succeed. You understand? Everything I touch will prosper and succeed. That's what we have to start doing. We have to start speaking life into ourselves. And we also, this part might be even harder, we have to forgive those that said those ugly things to us, because it didn't come from a place of love. If anything, it came from a place of insecurity, of jealousy. They're insecure at themselves, and they see something in you that they wanted to stop before it can grow. So whatever it is that they said to you, they see just the opposite in you. So take it for what it's worth. So forgive them, let it go, flip it, and make it work in your favor. Because if anything good happens to anyone in your life, anyone that you see on social media, whatever the case may be, and it goes back to social media, people are only going to show their highlights, their highlight reels in those TikToks. Not everyone's going to be honest and show you the hard work that went into whatever it is that they built. So you have to understand, like, don't despise these small beginnings. Wherever you are in life, know that, trust and believe that you're right where you're supposed to be, no matter how your circumstances look right now. Trust and believe that you are where you're supposed to be. Seek God, pray, ask for wisdom, ask for discernment, ask God to send you the people in your life that are going to pour into you. So whomever put those awful things in your head, ask God to replace them with people that are going to pour into you, that are really going to love you and help you get to where you're supposed to be. I truly, truly hope that this helps you. I really hope that this helps. I hope that whatever it is that you're going through, I pray that anyone that's watching this, that things get better for you. I pray that no matter what it is, whether it's an illness, whether it's a financial circumstance, whether it's a relationship, romantic, family, friend, whatever it is, I hope whatever you're going through right now, that it gets better quickly, because it's going to get better. It's going to get better. But ask God to give you the strength that you need to get through it. Ask Him what it is that you're supposed to learn in this season. If at any point in time you just feel down, or you just need to vent, or whatever the case may be, or you need prayer, leave me a comment so whoever watches this and goes to the comments, they can pray for you or encourage you. You can DM me, you can hit me up on social media, whatever the case may be. But just know that this too shall pass, and that you deserve all good things. Do not believe the lies of the enemy. Don't believe the lies of what anyone in your life has told you, because you are enough and you are worthy of all good things, and God will bless you with the desires of your heart. Thank you for listening. Thank you for watching. And this has been Devoted to Her. And as always, take care of you. Bye.